Johannesburg Human Settlement vows to boost safety measures, and this is following deadly Cleveland mass shooting. The City of Johannesburg's Human Settlement Department has pledged to strengthen safety measures in Cleveland following Tuesday's deadly mass shooting at the Jumpers Informal Settlement. MMC Mlungisi Mabaso says the city's plan to install surveillance cameras in the area and is working closely with the Department of Community Safety and other stakeholders to combat crime and illegal activities. Mabaso adds that the city is also exploring the registration of informal settlement residents to assist authorities with identification and accountability.
Siyafisa ukudlulisa amazwi enduduzo kubona bonke abemndeni ethintekayo nomphakathi ke welana nabaholi.
Bukeleke sikhona la eCleveland emjondolo ke ebizwa ngeJumpers Human Settlement okulapho ke kwenzeke khona ke isibhicongo osukwini lwesibili kusihlwa lapho ke kudutshulwe khona abantu ke ababalelwa ku27 kwaphangalala ke abangu 12 njengoba ke abayi15 besalele ke ezibhedlela lapha abathola khona ke ukuxilongwa. Kanti kosukwini namhlanje mbukeli lowo ke obhekeleleke ezokuhlaliswa kwabantu kusifunda iGoli uMlungisi Mabaso uhambeleke kule ndawo ukuzobheka isimo ngemuva kwalesi sigameko.
Okokuqala nje uPC no Chief of Police have confirmed ukuthi there will be a visible policing here, but ke sibatshekile nabasebenzi ukuthi uma bethola lama intimidation nama threat kufanele befone immediately. I-station commander wala eCleveland sisebenza kahle naye uyakwazi ukuresponda on time njalo uma simcela ukuthi aresponde, but also ke nathi nje eminyangweni sisadiscussa neteam ukubuka ama possibilities okufaka ama solar high master nama cameras la ukuze sikwazi nokumonitor i-movement la sikwazi nokuthi sibe nama footage of everything that is happening.
Mbukeli uMabaso ke uqhubeka ngokuthi kule ndawo kunenkinga yokuthi njengoba bezama ukuthi ke beyenze ibe semthethweni ngokufaka ke izindlu ezintsha ezakhiwa umnyango, kanti ke kunenkinga yokuthi kunalabo abesabisa abasebenzi bomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu okungangokuthi ke sebeze babaleka kule ndawo okukhomba ke ukujula ke kobugebengu nokwesatshiswa kwabantu okuqhubekayo kule ndawo yaseJumpers Settlement.
Ithimu ke intimidatekile basuspend isite, so bekufuneka sifike ke njenge human settlements ukuthi so engage nabo bese ke engage nama law enforcement agencies ukuguarantee isafety yabo ukuthi bekwazi ukusebenza. Ngiya understand ake ukuthi yini ba intimidate because ngesikhathi siqala ukuzosebenza la kwaphoqa ukuthi sidemolish ama shacks amazamazama, sidemolishe ama shacks ama undocumented foreign nationals, demolish ama shacks amashibhini ayelana, sidemolish ama shacks ezitolo ezayinga comply ezayiona ama foreign nationals ukuze sikwazi ukuthola ispace so ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisebenze. So ke some of those people they've come back bazoclaima i-occupation yalama structures esiwafakayo la njengoba sisebenza njengomnyango.
Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu khona la eGoli Mbukeli uthembisile ukuthi uzoqhubeka usebenza ngokubambisana namaphoyisa ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabasebenzi bawo kanjalo nezakhamizi ezihlala khona la eCleveland ikakhulukazi la eJumpers Human Settlement. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngeseCleveland.